All right, got a sticker in the mail from Seth over at Brickhouse Craftworks. A nice letter, listed all of his social media stuff too, so thank you, Seth, for the sticker, man. Yours should be there or on its way, so thank you very much, man. Appreciate the sticker, bud. Thank you. We'll get that up on the board. All right, Seth, let's get you up there, buddy. Thanks, man. It's awesome. Alright, sanded back to 400. So this is going to get colored, folks. I'm going to start off with the intrinsic colors. The ruby first. Probably sand each color back. The flame color. Again, these are from Intrinsic. I'll leave a link down below. And we'll finish it off with some honey. In one form or the order, or one order or another. So, anyway, get set up for that and see what it looks like. All right, we're going to start off with the ruby. So, bear with me, folks. This is uncharted territory right here. For me, anyway. Alright, I'll get this worked in and hit any spots that I missed. Man, I like that color already, just like by itself. Wow. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, I'll get this sanded back and I'll bring you back for the next color. Alright, we've got that sanded back to 400. Next, we're going to do the flame. And probably do the same scenario. All right, our third and final color, possibly, is the honey. So here you go, honey. That was dumb. I know. Ooh, I bet that's gonna look good. Right there. It's awesome. That's gonna look great. All right, we're gonna finish this off with some Axe abrasive sanding paste and polish restoring paste. I'll have a link in the description box below. Bruce 10 will get you 10% off any Axe products of the paste anyway. So anyway, Bruce 10 down in the description box below. So let's get this stuff on here. Yeah, that's darkening up a little bit. It was a little too light for me. This is going to look good. Wow, that looks good. That looks awesome. All right, we're going to come back with a clean bit of paper towel. Keep applying it until there's nothing left on your paper towel. Looks like we're getting it. All right, we'll be back when we go to put the restoring paste on the polish. Man, look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. I don't know about you guys. I'm really liking that. Let me know what you guys think. All right, there it is. We'll get that parted off. Get that parted off and we'll come back and talk about it. Man, that came out good. I like that. It's tiger stripe spalted maple. So small. All right, everybody, there it is. One single stem bud vase, weed pot, whatever you want to call it, out of tiger stripe spalted maple. I used intrinsic colors on that. I'll leave links down below. It's finished with Axe abrasive paste and polishing restoring paste. I hope you guys liked it. It'll even hold a little bit of water. Test tubes I just picked up off of Amazon. So a live single stem vase would work. So add a little water in there. But anyway, it's beautiful. I like it. Just might have to keep it. I enjoyed making this one. This one was really cool. I got to use some of the colors. I don't get to color stuff that much, but anyway, this came out good. Anyway, hope you guys like it. Thanks, you guys. See you on the next one. Bye. I'll have some still shots up too, so check them out. You'll like them.